have this. It's a great, I love it so much. I love edamame and I love avocado together. Really easy. Let's see if this one is gonna give us, oh yeah, look at that one. Okay. I'm using my food processor because there is no way I'm doing this with a fork. I've got about, I don't know, 2 cups of edamame and like we saw how much avocado I took, right? Salt and pepper. And I want a little bit of coconut yogurt in there and it just gives it that extra, I don't know, zing. If that's even what gives it, I don't know. It just gives it that yummy, it's yummy. I find it really delicious. Okay, and what else do I need? That's it. And now I'm just gonna smash it up. Now I don't want it to be completely creamy, like a paste. I want a little bit of chunkiness, a little bit of texture in there. It's really quick, like really easy breakfast, really easy brunch, really easy anything, really. Can I say really one more time? Really? My bread, depending how many people are around and what's happening. You can toast the bread if you want to. I don't want to. I just want to eat it. Some lime. I love the way these limes, Indonesia, have the seeds. In Australia, the limes don't have seeds. A little drizzle. Oh, this is a really juicy one. Just a little bit. Is drizzle it with a little bit of olive oil. Just a little. Great when you've got people over. Fantastic when you're looking for something really quick to make and eat. But I'm gonna have one of my own before we take a photo of the other ones. Oh my goodness. Let me know how you go with this. This is like one of those sandwiches where you kind of like got that little bit of eggplant left over and you got that little bit of zucchini left over and you're like, what the hell do I do with it? And the trick is, I've cut my zucchini in lengthways, right? I've done the same with the eggplant. And it is very hot in here. And seriously, this is the greatest thing on the planet. And what even makes it even better, a whole mushroom, straight on the grill. This is all you do. It's freaking amazing. A drizzle of oil just over the top of everything into that little mushroom pocket. All the juices to go inside it as it cooks. I reckon we cook it. There's no real time of how long you cook this for. You just want that color. You're gonna take the ones that are cooked, check that out. This is when you grab your bread. Get a little splash of olive oil, I know, right? It's a bit cheeky, but this is what we do. Onto the bread. Straight onto the grill. Turn them over and hopefully they're brown, and they are. Oh my God, winning. And get that other side do its thing. This is just, man, if I had a sandwich bar, this would be in the sandwich bar. And you take those little slices. I know, it is gorgeous, isn't it? And you just kind of pop them on the sandwich. It's amazing. This is a gorgeous little lentil soup that freezes really, really well. Vegan, gluten-free, full of nourishment. One of the things that I will say is soaking your lentils overnight is super important. So cool because it just takes out all the yuckies, and I didn't want to run to the shop, and these tomatoes are basically one ingredient, which is awesome, tomatoes. Now this celery looks odd to you. Normally celery back in Australia and in America and the UK is quite big, right? But here in Indonesia it's very tiny. I want a good splash of olive oil. Gonna add my onions. Salt and pepper immediately. Oh my God, it's one of those days. Navigating that wooden spoon. Now you're going to add your water. Now I'm going to add the tomatoes. Okay, lid on simmer, let it cook for a good 30 minutes. Oh, yum. It's just so natural, you know. And we are done.